With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. Nissan made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and much more. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.